Hi, my name is Paula Ruiz Perez. I'm cooking my favorite meal, chipa guasu. Ingredients: 1 kilo of frozen corn, 125 milliliters glass of oil, 3 eggs, salt to taste, 240 grams of cheese, 1 onion, and 3 tablespoons cornmeal. Chipa Wasu recipe. First, we put the corn in a strainer to defrost. Then we peel and chop the onion. Second, we grease a mold that can be put into the oven with oil and we reserve it. Third, we place the corn in a deep bowl with the oil and blend it with the help of a blender. Add the eggs, salt, and onion and blend again. Finally, we add the cheese and the flour and stir with a spoon. When everything is well integrated, we pour the dough into the mold that we have prepared and bake it for about 30 or 40 minutes in a preheated oven at 170 degrees. And let cool and serve. Okay, thanks. Bye.